What's up, you guys? It's Jason here from RPM, and today we're going to be talking about and going over our new chambered muffler for the RZR Pro R 4 cylinders. Alright, so what this is dang near an OEM replicated muffler, except for a few things. We have no catalytic converter, it's a 3-inch exiting tip, and all the chambers inside have been enlarged, so it's going to be super quiet and produce really good power. And we do that with simply just building chambers, building pass-throughs, and building internal baffling into the muffler itself. We have a cutaway. We're going to jump to that at the end and show you guys that. But for now, I think it's time for some sound clips. We know what you came here for. All right, guys, one thing before the sound clips that we're going to go over is the tip. We've obviously kept that triangulated OEM-looking tip, except for it's 3 inches and not the 2.5 inch. We by far have the nicest looking tip on the market. It complements the factory rear fascia perfectly. The new RPM chambered muffler uses all 3 of the factory mounts. It kind of even maintains the shape of the factory muffler. So let's get to it and let's check out them sound clips and know what you guys came here for. All right, guys, so we're back from Sand Hollow, and as promised, this is our cutaway of the chambered muffler we've been running. So essentially what you have going on is a 3-inch inlet that's going to come all the way through. It hits this first chamber right here. It goes in, and it's actually going to come back out, bounce off of there. It has to meet these 2 top tubes, come all the way through there, skips this chamber, hits this wall, and then it comes back through these 2 next larger tubes and then out. And the reason that these lengths are different is mostly exhaust tuning for the tone of the exhaust. So depending on where we land those at, it's going to change how the exhaust sounds. Closer to a wall, quieter it'll be, but less performance. So we kind of move them around, and we've messed that a whole lot, trying to dial them in. So like I said, in, out, in, come back over here. This smooth entrance, anywhere you see a flared end is the entrance for the exhaust. So it's going to enter in there, come back over this chamber, enter through here, hits this chamber, and then comes out of the exhaust tip. So we just kind of slowly close it, and you can see how that works. pretty neat. We had these at the sand show. We kept firing up the machine. Everyone loves it. This exhaust is not much louder than stock, so that's what we were kind of going after, and we feel like we nailed it. The valved version will probably actually be a little less quiet than stock with the valve closed, and then of course when you open the valve, it'll be loud as you can possibly make a straight pipe or a straight muffler pipe. So yeah, we went to Sand Hollow. We put maybe 300 more miles on this, and got some good data out of it. And these are ready to hit the market. So you can pick these up. They're rpmsxs.com. If you made it this far into the video, you obviously heard all of our sound clips. We tried to nail everything. Fast, high-speed stuff, dune riding. You can be in the car. Our car has a factory windshield on it. We were playing music at like level 8, which is pretty freaking loud for the stock stereo. You can hear it the entire time that the car is running, full throttle in the dunes. You can still hear your stereo. You're pumping out all the performance out of it at the same time. So this is a really trick muffler, and we're glad that we waited and dialed it in and dialed it in and dialed it in. Even though it didn't get to the market fast or right away, we know that it was worth it. So the guys who waited and were patient, they're going to reap the benefits. So yeah, that's it. rpmsxs.com. Pick up your chambered Pro R muffler.